how to install or enable Android system WebView application on your Android to stop crashing the app. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, what you need to do to fix the problem, to get the Android system WebView application on your Android, you just need to do one thing, that is you have to go to Play Store first of all, and then here you just need to you just need to search for ANDR Android SYSTM system WebView. So after searching this, you can see this is the one. So just you need to do one thing, that is click on update option here, or here you will find an option, install option. Simply tap here, and then you have to wait for some time, and also it depends upon the network that you're using. So it's very pretty simple, you will get on your phone and every problem will be solved. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.